Wanna go with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for me.
Hey guys, so it is almost Friday, y'all. It's actually Thursday, and I'm quickly eating. I had one enrollment meeting for my job, and then I have another enrollment meeting in just a few minutes, but I did stop to McDonald's to hurry up and just get some breakfast in so I won't be like starving in my next meeting. But yeah, y'all, so pretty much this is like, a little day in the life, girl. So yeah, I'm just in my car eating before the meeting. I just wanted to come here, say hi, start the vlog. But yeah, I pretty much have work today, and then I started going back to the gym. Yay me. So I'm very excited about just being back in the gym, girl, because I took like a 1 month hiatus, y'all, and I just stopped going to the gym. But yeah, so pretty much I'm about to eat this food and get on with the rest of my day. And like I said, just wanted to come tell y'all, hey, hi, hello. And yeah, I gotta get back to work. I need to take these braids out. Oh my gosh, it's been, I think, like 4 weeks, a little over 4 weeks, I think. I'm probably gonna let it go like another week, and then I'm gonna take out these braids, y'all. They've kind of did their time, but I'm just ready to just start washing my hair again, deep conditioning. So today is Sunday, August 14th. I didn't do much yesterday. It was a very much chill weekend for me again this weekend, which was really good. The only thing I did yesterday was I went to my grandpa's house, and then I went to the store with my mom. And my mom cooked yesterday, and then Friday night was pretty much the same thing, very chill. We just went and picked up some food, but that was pretty much it, as far as my weekend. And then, like I said, y'all, today is Sunday, so, just kind of getting myself prepared for the new week and stuff like that.
For choosing Starbucks, this is Kaylee. We can get started for you.
All right, let me get a venti lemonade with coconut milk. And can you also add strawberry puree to that?
We're actually out of strawberry puree right now.
Okay, what other flavors do you have? All right, y'all, so we were missing the strawberry puree. They didn't have any of that, so she said she was gonna add the strawberry base from the acai refresher. So I hope it's good. I've never actually tried Starbucks lemonade, so I'm very excited to try this today. But yeah, I think I found this one on Pinterest also. I've just been screenshotting, y'all, and I have like a whole album on my phone now that's just Starbucks drinks. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I took a taste of it, and that vanilla sweet cream cold foam, y'all, it's so good. It tastes like a vanilla milkshake, just like by itself. But I haven't really got any of the lemonade with the strawberry yet, because it's kind of like way to the bottom. So let's see. It's good, y'all. It's very refreshing. If you like sweet stuff, I think you would definitely like that Starbucks drink. But it's very light, so if you're feeling like you don't want a smoothie, you don't want a coffee or anything like that, I definitely do recommend to get the venti strawberry lemonade. What's up? So I did not put up my little tripod things yet, so I can't record in front of me yet because I didn't put it up. So I'm still recording from like right here in the front of my car. But anywho, I'm on my way to go to the oral surgeon today, because I told you guys in my last vlog that I pretty much went to an orthodontist. He did an x-ray, and then on that x-ray he saw that I had a salivary stone, and he saw that my jaw was weak. So I'm going to see about that today. I'm hoping that there isn't really much that I have to do today. I don't have to have any type of facial surgery, jaw surgery. I'm hoping that, these x-rays that I take today will be a little bit more clear, and I hope that it's nothing, y'all. So I'm crossing my fingers. But yeah, I'm on my way to my appointment now. I'll let you guys know how it goes after my appointment. But y'all, fingers crossed everything is okay, because your girl is sad, okay? I don't want to get nothing done, and I'm coward, y'all, so I don't like needles and stuff like that. So they told me today would probably be like x-rays, and they would see if I need like a CT scan or if I need any further types of biopsies or anything for the salivary stone and for my jaw. So yeah, we'll see, y'all. But I'm definitely nervous. But I guess I gotta suck it up, be a big girl, and take care of myself. So I'll let you guys know what happens in a few. Hey girlies, so I forgot to update you guys after my oh lord, I forgot to put my lip gloss on. I just got lip liner. Anywho, I forgot to update y'all the other day after I left my appointment. But so far everything is good. So what they did was they took x-rays of like my jaw and the salivary stone. And so the doctor, he actually wanted to send it off to get read, I guess by a radiologist, just to make sure that it is a salivary stone and it's not anything else. So I'm pretty much just waiting on the results from that x-ray. But he said more than likely I'm not going to have to do anything as far as like get it surgically removed on those results from the radiologist. So I think they're going to call me and I'm going to have to set up another appointment just to go back and so they can let me know, you know, what the radiologist saw, if it was anything serious on his end. But as far as the doctor, y'all, he said everything is more than likely going to be fine. He was like, it's not bothering me. You know, he tried to like feel for it. He doesn't feel anything. And sometimes they just like leave the salivary stones alone because they normally like just dissolve and kind of go away on their own. It's a big week, y'all. So I pretty much have like an on-site event with an employer, and pretty much like 100 of their employees are going to be getting services done by us. So they're going to be getting like blood work done. They're going to be getting EKGs, because I pretty much work for a hospital, right? And so I'm in charge of like the employer side. Like I work with the local businesses, and pretty much I'm kind of like the liaison between businesses and the hospital that I work at. But anywho, so we're going to go on site to this refinery 2 days this week. And like I said, we're going to provide some services to them on site. This is probably my biggest event so far, you know, just being that I'll have over 100 employees that are going to be getting service. If there's any other update, I really didn't do much this weekend. And Bay did come to visit like 2 weeks ago, so that was good. I got to see my boo thing. I'm so excited because I got reached out to by an agency, and that's the same way that I got like my first brand deal ever back in 2020. It was through an agency. An agency reached out to me on behalf of a brand, and that's the same thing that kind of happened this week. So I'm very excited about it. So yeah, y'all, we just moving and grooving. I applied to be a TGIN Pink ambassador to post products for breast cancer awareness in October and to post pictures. So I really hope that I get chosen as an ambassador this year, because I think it's for a really great cause and it's like a volunteer opportunity. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. But that's pretty much the only updates I have at this time, y'all. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to pop in real quick to let you guys know that I have a meeting in about 10 minutes, y'all. It's a little bit after 7 a.m. and I have my first influencer creative call, where you basically get on a Zoom call or a WebEx or, you know, some type of webcam call with either like an agency representative or like a brand representative for influencing matters. I've always wanted to be in a space where I could create content for a brand and not have to post it, right? Because I really love content creation. I feel like I would be a valuable asset in that area. My contract, so I'm very excited to just meet this agency representative and just kind of build that relationship. This is how like my life could be like almost every day, because I really love to have these opportunities like on a norm. But I'm so excited, y'all. So I'm about to get on this call. I'm super excited. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But like I said, I've already signed the contract. I've already received my product from the brand. So I'm pretty much ready to go. So I guess they just want to kind of see what I plan to do with the content. But again, y'all, I'm super excited. This is my first influencer creative call. Oh my God, I can almost cry. But I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna hold it in because this is just the beginning, y'all. But yeah, so let me go ahead and get ready for this call. It's early, y'all. I didn't even have time to really do anything to my hair. I just kind of put a cap on my head and I'm about to make it do what it do. So yay.
Hey Taylor, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. What's your typical style? Like, do you like to do a voiceover? Or I guess, yeah, what are you thinking there?
Say hey, booby.
Hey, don't put that on the internet, no.
Babe, I have to. I vlog my daily life, please.
Yeah, but look at my hair. I don't want to be on the internet like that.
Y'all, my booby is here.
Babe, look at my hair. Do not put that on the
He
internet.
looking rough, y'all, but he working, huh, babe? What you doing right now? Tell him. Tell him what you doing. Well, he drinking a beer because he on break. Tell him what you doing right now.
I'm working.
He's recording for me. Well, he's helping me record my little brand recording things here. And yeah, we're just trying to get this little brand collab done with. Huh, babe? Period. Then we got mom over here.
Man, don't put me on the internet with my hair like that, no.
My mama tired. She ain't been helping us. So good thing he's here, y'all, because I'd have been by myself on this collab for real. You don't be on that stuff?
No, my hair look crazy, baby.
Guys, I just wanted to come on here and in the vlog, I'm about to go on date night with my baby. I'm not sure where we're gonna go eat at. I'm wishing prosperity, abundance, and everything else on you all in the month of September, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
I do it so good, it's gonna be hard to break the habit. Like a hook on sensation.